And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create a sun icon. It's a simple project for a beginner. All that we need is the ellipse tool right here. Hold Control and you've got a circle. If you go to a 45-degree angle and drag, size it up holding Shift and Control, move it around. We need something like this. Make sure the snapping is enabled, and also this icon for the rotation center, which is this plus sign, so if I double click on objects we can see it. Then press Ctrl R and you should see your rulers, and you can drag these guides out of there and they should snap to the rotation center. Now we'll use the Bezier tool, which is this tool. Left click on the guide, go downwards, left click again, we've got a line. Go to Object, Fill and Stroke. Under Stroke Style we can adjust the width, and we'll give it a round cap. So we've got something like this. If you now double click on it, there's also a plus sign, but it's relatively hard to select it, and it doesn't really matter how far I zoom in. Let me show you this. So no matter how far I get into this line, I can't really grab the plus sign. So let me press Ctrl Z here, and I go to Path and stroke the path. And now the plus sign is right here, and we can drag it out of there and position it to the rotation center of the circle. Let me close this window, and now I go to Object and Transform, and I use the rotate function up here. For the angle, I want to have 12 of these lines, so I'll simply divide 360 by 12, which is 30. We can use counterclockwise or clockwise as a direction, it doesn't matter. All that we now have to do is to apply it and press Ctrl D to copy it in between. So Ctrl D, then apply, Ctrl D, apply again and again until you've got your 12 lines. If your line is a little bit too big for your circle, just press Ctrl Z until you've arrived at this point. Then size it down, but keep in mind that you now have to readjust rotation center. So if I apply the rotation just like this, it doesn't rotate around the center of the circle anymore. So Ctrl Z, double click on it, and you can see the plus sign right here. It's not in center anymore because I've sized the line down. And now again Ctrl D and apply until we've got our 12 lines. Once you're done, you can press Ctrl A to select it all, Ctrl G to group it, and go to Edit and delete the guides. And this is how you can create a sun icon in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.